Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to be doing a quick unboxing of the CarPodGo T3 Android Auto Apple CarPlay display, portable display. This is a really cool device. It basically allows you to have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in a car that isn't equipped with that. This little display, and I'm going to go ahead and open the box. I'm talking about what it does. This little display allows you to connect your phone through Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and then you have full access to that just as if your car had that built in. What's really cool and unique about this is they have created this in such a way that this allows your phone to still transmit the audio to your car's Bluetooth, and just use this for like the Android Auto Apple CarPlay display, which is very, very cool. And I'm not sure how that is attached. Oh, so what I figured out, I was thinking how this is attached, because it's attached so good, I thought it was hooked on there, but look, it's just a really strong magnet. So what's cool is that's why it's so portable, because you can have this in your car, and when you want it in your car, it mounts to your car, and it's not going anywhere. But if you want to take it with you somewhere, you just pull it off that mount. So that is really, really cool. And here is the device. Really, look at that. Beautiful, nice size screen. Very nice. Got a screen protector on there right now, and I'm going to leave that on there. Otherwise, I'll get fingerprints all over it. But really nice screen. Very sleek looking. Very, very nice. And again, this takes your phone. It does Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, but the sound from your phone stays connected to your car's Bluetooth. So you just switch to your car's Bluetooth, just like you would if you were going to stream music or something from your phone anyway. But this display will have the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay operating system and interface to allow you to control your phone through this, which is really, really, really cool. And here's the back, just so you can see, just a nice sleek design. Let's take a look at what else comes in the box. Got a little bit of everything here. They even have, this is specifically for Tesla, a mount created for Tesla. So it's got a little thing here that you can use to connect this to a Tesla 3 or Model Y. And you've got a control here to power it on and off. This would connect to USB. That's how it gets power. There's a USB connection. Let's find that. There it is. So here we go. Here are the connections here. You see you've got USB-C as well as a couple of inputs and outputs there. So there are obviously multiple ways to use this besides the Bluetooth method that I described. You've got a car power port, so this would plug into your car's cigarette lighter. And then you've got an on-off button here, which is great, so you can turn it on or off at will. And you've got an extra USB to use to power something else. And then this would plug into that to power it, so you can power it that way. Here you've got, so this is a separate camera. So this also has the option to have a camera hooked up to it for, I believe this would be for your backup, to use as a backup camera. So again, this would require a little bit more if you want to use it in that way, but it does have that feature. It has this camera. You can run this, connect this to your license plate back at the back of your car, run this wire all the way up to the front, hook it in, all that good stuff. Obviously, that is something that you'd have to decide if you want to do. I wouldn't use that on my car just because I am lazy and don't want to hook it up. But that is part of this package. So it does have that capability, which is awesome. You've got another mount here. Now this mount is like a standard window mount that you can attach to a window or to your dash. And then again, that would hook into this plate, this magnetic plate, so that you could easily use that. So that's great that it includes that as well. You've also got another connector here. So this is a like a sticker connection, and you can see how this is it can kind of mold to your dash if it needs to. And so if you want to use that to stick it on there, and then you've got your little connector to connect this again to the mounting plate. So that's included. I love that they include everything you need in here. They're not leaving you hanging with stuff. You've got this this is a USB input. So I'm not 100% sure what this is. I'm thinking maybe this is for audio. This allows you to connect some type of audio microphone. I'm gonna have to look more into what that is. Yeah, they just included everything in this box. Honestly, wasn't expecting it to have all this stuff. This is a plate if you want to use this on your dash or something. This will stick to your window by itself, but if you want to use it on your dash, you're going to need to put it on this. And so this has a sticky thing on the bottom so that you can put this on your dash. And then you've got another super high quality. This is an auxiliary to auxiliary cable, and really nice high quality cable for audio. So it gives you another method. I'm going to guess that besides the Bluetooth method I described before, you can probably, if your car has an auxiliary input, you can probably connect from that to the auxiliary input. So you probably have different ways that you can use it, and they've included that cord as well. This is a USB OTA update, memory card reader. So basically this is allowing you, giving you a way to possibly update this in the future, because there will be updates to improve it, and you don't need it right away, it's letting you know, but they're including it so that in the future when you need to update, you'll have everything you need to do that. Again, like I said, they're including everything. And then here you have a couple of, again, other adhesives to use for installation. And then you do have the manual, which will explain what all this stuff is for and how you can use it. You can see different mounting methods, different ways of running the power cord, because again, obviously it needs power, so it's giving you one example of running it all the way around and down if you want to get it out of the way. And yeah, that's basically everything that comes in the box. Again, a very cool product. What I love about it is fully featured, even more so than I thought. I didn't even know it had the backup camera, but that's cool. And then you've got different ways to connect, different things you can do, which all looks like it's going to be really, really awesome. So I'm excited to get this thing set up and put it to use. But that is everything that comes in the box. It's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.